So basically today, you can already see by the title what time it is. It is prank time, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing a prank on Voldy. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see his reaction. You know what I'm saying?
Voldy, come here.
Pretty boy shining like ice. Pretty boy pretty like ice.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Pretty Boy Coley. You know the vibes. So basically today, you can already see by the title what time it is. It is prank time, bro. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna be doing a prank on Voldy. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to see his reaction. You know what I'm saying? I just told him that I need like some snakes, so I gotta go to the store. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to buy actually some ingredients to make the fake blood. So yeah, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's see how this shit will go, but I know it's gonna be lit. Let's go, schlit. We out. Hey, yo, so I'm back, right? But I don't know how to do this shit because my boy is like sitting in the living room, and the living room is next to the kitchen. So for me to do that shit, I might have to do it in the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna take everything, put it in a cup, and then go do the magic in the kitchen, in the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna start coughing, and I'm gonna call him. And then you'll see how this shit goes. Let's get into this prank thing. Hey, yo, man. So, they see him right there, and I told him, like, my stomach is hurting, you know what I'm saying? So, now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna act like I'm making, usually, like, when my stomach hurts, I heat, like, hot water, and I put, like, a lot of salt in it. It helps me. I don't know what's up with some black people thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna do that, and then I will leave. I'll move the cup, and then I'll go to the bathroom. They would think I'm in the room because they're watching like a movie right now. So yeah, check this out.
All your concern is just a regular guy doing a good job. You understand each other? I'm clear. Like a paint or paint. What the fuck does that look like? Here we go, personal files. Pictures of me and family. And
So yeah, I'm gonna add more. I bought two, so I hope this time it becomes dark. Hey, I really hope so. It becomes, red. I think he's gonna believe it because it doesn't. It is not expecting me to cry. So he's gonna coffee. Yeah, he looks red, but it's a bit light. There's still more somewhere. They're watching a movie. And I'm part of that shit now. What I need? I don't know what I drink. You don't want need. The blood. Huh? The blood. Call the ambulance. Come on, fresh look. Yeah, I can't breathe. These ons. My stomach was hurting. My stomach was hurting. I just drank hot water. Call an Uber then. Or call B-Smoke. It's a lot of fun in you. I was trying to take a shit.
What if você
Call an
não
Uber.
take a shit?
Yeah. Let me see. What the fuck are you, nigga? Hey, what's this? Bro, it's blood, my nigga. Bro, I thought it was Corona. I didn't know my niggas loved me so much, bro. Fuck you, dog. Bro, you got me scared, bro. I was like, where we got him from. I was like, let me not stay close to you. Maybe it's COVID or something. I got this motherfucker, man.
So what's this? What's all
Bro, I made blood, bro. I made blood for real. It looks like blood, nigga. Huh?
Yeah. No, it's not. It doesn't look like blood.
That's what
This is purple, dog.
Man, you're scared. That's all that matters, bro. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We got this nigga, man. More pranks are coming. You know the vibes. Probably dropping this shit today. Okay. Got this motherfucker. I didn't know my niggas love me so much, though.
Fuck you, dog. You got me right, bro. No, clean this shit. Fuck you, nigga.
Shit, now I gotta clean all this shit, man. Make sure you like. Let's turn up this thing, man. Get it to 100K. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this gotta be the thumbnail. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Look at all this. You check. I poured some on the floor and then I acted like I was coughing. I'm a good actor,